Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about how to connect our Eternity token to our wallet. And in order to do that, first there is something we need to know, and that is that the Eternity token is currently on the Polygon blockchain, meaning that in order for us to connect that token to the wallet, we first need to connect that wallet into the Polygon's network. And in order to do that, I'm using the Trust Wallet app here, but there are other apps at the Apple Store or other buying sites that you can use as well. Now, the first thing that you see here is the new wallet that I've created, and in order for us to connect this wallet to the token, we first need to connect it to the Polygon network. And in order to do that, here at the top right you see this star option. We press that and come into this panel. Here at the search, we first write Polygon, yes, and this first option here, this poll, we are going to enable that. After that, we press on the all networks, and here we are going to press on the first option, which is the Polygon. And after that, go once again in the search and write USDT. Now, this first option here, it says USDT of Polygon, POS, Tether USD. This here, we enable that as well, which is the USDT of the Polygon network, and which we are going to use for our USDT distribution inside the token. After we've enabled these two, go into the discover at the right bottom. Here at the search, we are going to write ether.to. With this, we are going to go inside of the app. Once we are inside of the app, we are going to first connect this token to the Polygon network that we've just added to the wallet. And in order to do that, we press these three dots at the top right, and at the network Ethereum, we are going to press it and change that Ethereum network to the Polygon network. And after that, our wallet has been successfully connected to our Eternity ecosystem. Now here at this blue option at the top right, we press that, and we are going to come into this panel. Now in this panel, there are two more things that we need to add to our wallet, which are the add ether to wallet. Once we press it and say OK, and add ET to wallet, that as well. And after that, we enable auto connect, meaning that whenever you come inside of this token with a different wallet, it's going to auto connect that different wallet into that different token. Once you press the confirm here, our wallet has been automatically going to be connected from now on. And that's it for how to connect your token of Eternity into your wallet.